guys, I'd like to talk about Leetcode34, find first and last position of element in sorted array. Given an array of integers nums sorted in non-decreasing order, like 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, then find the starting and ending position of a given target value. For example, if the target number is 8, then return the position of started and ended indexes. If target is not found in the array, return -1, -1. Also, you must write an algorithm with big O log and runtime complexity. My answer is here, and the answer runtime is bits 100, and time complexity is big O log n, so it's okay. And memory is also relatively good, bits 92%. Let me explain about my answers. I use these binary search algorithms to meet the condition of runtime complexity big O log n. If I use linear search, the time complexity will be the big O n, so it's not meet the condition.
I split the situations into 4 patterns. Let's look at each of the patterns using examples. Let's look at the example 1. The list does not include any targets. The target's number is 6, then there is no 6. So firstly, at step 1, I set the start and end position to the exact number 0 and the end of the array. After that, at step 2, using binary search, compare to the target number to the middle position. And then target is smaller than the middle one, so end will be shifted here, and start is the same, and repeat it. Find the middle positions and compare to the 6 and shift here. The last one, the 5, the middle one is smaller than the target, so here start positions will be here, and exit the while statement because start and end positions is the same. Also skip the step 3 because it's the same. Then at the end of the step 4, start position 7 is not equal to the target, so return the -1 and -1. Let's look at the pattern 2. The next index to the middle is the target. If the target number is 10, this array is matched to these patterns. At step 1, set both of them and find the middle one and compare to the target and shift the start to here and repeat it. The middle one is smaller than target, so shift the start position to here and it's the same. Then exit the step 2. Also I skip the step 3 because it's the same. Step 4, the start number is the same as the target, so return the start and end positions. Let's look at the example 3. The middle index is the target. If the target number is 5, in the same way as before, I shift it using the binary search. 5 is here, so here and here. Next middle positions is the same as the target. In this case, the both if statement matches to this condition, so shift the both of the end and start position here and here. Okay. After that, the step 3, the end is the smaller than start position, so shift it until the position is the same as the target. So end is here, but start position is not the same as the target, so shift to the here, decrement it. After that, step 4, return the 5 positions. This is the answers. Someone might think I don't have to shift the both of them. About that, I'll explain later. Let's look at the last example, number 4. The list includes multiple targets. In the same way as before, using binary search, shift the both of the indexes, and the target is 7. So the middle number is same as the target, so shift the start to here and end here. After that, exit the step 2 and at the step 3, increment the start indexes until the target numbers equal to the start numbers. So this start indexes will be here. Also, I increment the end indexes until the value of it become the target number. So end will be here and return it, or start and end indexes. As I mentioned earlier, why did I include equal in both if statements at step 2? It's because if I did not include equal in both if statements at step 2, the end and start position is the same. It means I need to include equal in the if statement at step 3 to shift the start to here, right? It's the problem. Why? The problem occurred in the case of the number 1, the list does not include any targets. In this case, if I include equal in the if statement at step 3, I need to find the positions even if the array does not include the target. So maybe the start and end shifted to the 0 and the end of the array, and it will cause the time complexity big O n. Maybe there are another solutions, but I consider it's the best good idea to include the equals in an if statement at step 2 to exclude these situations at step 3.